Hey guys, this beautiful blue and white truck is an aerial walking platform based on the Isuzu KV100 chassis. This 118 horsepower truck has a 5-speed transmission and is equipped with a 7-section 16-sided synchronous and 32-meter telescopic arm. It also features a customized basket, you see, and a customized cab, so the operator doesn't have to operate the telescopic arm under an umbrella. These front and rear outriggers are lowered, making the vehicle more stable and secure during high altitude operations. And you can see here a hydraulic oil radiator, and this a power inverter, so they can make this telescopic arm more reliable and stable. And we have also thoughtfully installed a ladder for the customer, so they don't have to jump up and down. Now, she is about to be loaded onto our vehicle and sent to the port for shipment to Russia. I hope she will win the favor for her new owner.